Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have confirmed deal of the day one for 10 days of deals starting Friday, May 1st. It's the Icon Service Kit promotion, either the 3/8 or the 1/4 inch, 40% off. 40% off. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's just go ahead and dive in. We're going to do what we've done in the past. We're going to look at, it's on Facebook, so give credit where credit is due, but we're just going to look at some screenshots. Day of the deal of the day one is the Icon service set. So, but we're going to, well, let's go there first, actually. Let's just show you the proof is in the pudding. 40% off Icon Modular General Service Sets, Friday, May 1st only. So we got the 1/4 inch and the 3/8 inch. 40% off confirmed deal of the day one. And before we begin our investigation, actually, we'll start off there. We'll start off with deal of the day one. This is the professional socket set, provides a full selection of sizes, accessories to handle most jobs in the garage or shop. The set includes premium ratchet along with shallow and deep sockets with no skip or sizing. It's at $160 for the 3/8 inch. And this is what it comes with. It comes with the ratchet, extension adapters, shallow sockets, deep sockets. We have premium case and foam trays, which is super, super nice. SAE and metric, no skips. This is at $160 and at 40% off, which is what we love to see, down sub $100. I think these have gone up slightly. Did they go slightly up in price? But $96 for the 3/8 inch modular general service socket set. And then for the 1/4 inch, we have it at $120. Handle most jobs in the shop or garage. Premium ratchet, no skip. Has a ratchet, extension adapters ×3, SAE and metric shallow sockets, SAE and metric deep sockets, and of course the premium case and foam tray. So very similar, just 1/4 inch, 48 piece. And this is priced at $120, but at 40% off, get it down to $72. I think this is pretty close to the lowest price that it's been, $72. So that's confirmed. Deal of the day one. Let's keep the investigation going. Here we are. Whoops, that's the 10 days of deals the video that we did before. Sanders, we called it Icon General Service Socket Set, and there's going to be likely, maybe, I don't think I've seen it, but a chainsaw days potentially. But let's look back. So next, at least from what we're seeing in here, here's the General Service Socket Set. We'll start off here. Quinn 61 piece master impact socket set. Now we don't know the percentage off for the rest of these. Quinn 61 piece. So it's going to be the Quinn 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set at $180. Maybe they'll give us the 40% off compared to Capri. All Quinn impact sockets are constructed from heat treated chrome molybdenum, I always mess that up, steel, and are fully impact rated to withstand use with all impact tools. So this is a guesstimation, but likely I would say minimum 30% off. They better. At 30% off, you're saving almost $55. Get it down to $126. So hopefully they'll give us 40% off. That would be nuts. Almost $80 off if they did that, but we're looking at a deep discount. So that's gonna be in there. 61 piece Quinn 1/2 inch drive master impact socket set. We did go over the Earthquake XT. We know those will be included. They do have an Icon Snap Ring Pliers, it looks like, box in there. Those are $73 right now. So if they give us a 30 to 40% off on that would be excellent. Let's just say a 30% off, not get our hopes up too much. Still save over $20, get it down to $51.10. But hopefully they give us the entire kit and caboodle. We do see the Pittsburgh. This one's pretty clear. Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile floor jack. That's priced right now at $140. So hopefully they'll give us about 40% off, 30 to 40% off. They do deep discounts on Pittsburgh floor jack. So I could definitely see us hopefully getting down a 40% off, getting it down to $84 for a 2-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump from Pittsburgh. I also see, and maybe we're seeing everything. We have a Maddox product here. It's a little blurry on my end, but I believe that's the Maddox ball joint service add-on kit. That's what it looks like. I guess it could be the HARBROs. You guys let me know. tough to tell from my picture. Could be the wheel bearing lock. No. The half-inch. No, not those. Ball joint service set or a separate ball joint service kit, 2-wheel drive. I don't see what else it could be. But HARBROs, you let me know your guesses. There's only so many Maddox products, so it has to be one of those two. And I think that's everything I'm seeing in this picture. It looks like, oh, and the Hercules batteries, the battery kits, Bauer and Hercules, which we went over in the last video as well. So let's keep looking. And here's the confirmation, 40% off Icon modular service sets, which is amazing. New deals dropping daily. Can we see anything different from this angle? The only thing different that I'm seeing in this angle is this Icon torque wrench, which we get a better view. And there does appear to be some type of, what is that? Can't tell what that is in the back, an orange something. We do have our, what is that? Our sanders that we covered in the last video. There's the batteries, but let's look at here. Here she clearly has it. And I can't tell which one this is, which size it is, but it's clearly the Professional Flex Head torque wrench. Does look like the click torque wrench, not the digital torque wrench, but clearly I have the resolution of a potato here, but it does look like it's either going to be the half-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound Professional Flex Head torque wrench from Icon, or the 3/8 inch drive Professional Flex Head click torque wrench. And of course, the HARBROs, I know you guys have better eyes than I do. Can't tell which one it is. It gets a little bit too blurry, but it's going to be one of them. And then, of course, she makes clear the Hercules battery promotion, and then the rest here are shown. So I don't think I'm missing anything besides what exactly this Maddox deal is and which Icon torque wrench that is. But let me know, HARBROs. Those are all the pictures. Feel free. This is on Facebook to check out. I'll try to include the link so everyone can go on over. But that's deal of the day 1 confirmed. We have some Icon torque wrenches. There's going to be a Maddox, I think some type of ball joint service set, 2-ton Pittsburgh low profile Icon snap rings, half-inch drive from Quinn, the Master Impact socket set, and of course our modular service sets from Icon, 40% off. And we'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know what you think. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.